In the world of project management, data is king. From tracking tasks and resources to budgeting and reporting, the ability to effectively manage and analyze information is crucial for success. Many organizations find themselves using a blend of tools: powerful cloud-based platforms for collaborative work and the familiar, versatile spreadsheets of Microsoft Excel for deep dives, custom calculations, and specialized reporting. This often leads to a practical and critical question: can I link Smartsheet to Excel? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer is a resounding yes. Smartsheet, a dynamic work management platform, and Microsoft Excel, the ubiquitous spreadsheet program, can indeed be linked. This capability is incredibly valuable for project managers who need to leverage the collaborative and automated features of Smartsheet while still utilizing the robust analytical and data manipulation power of Excel. Understanding how to create this connection can significantly enhance your data workflow and reporting capabilities. Why link Smartsheet to Excel? Before diving into the how, let's explore the why. Why would a project manager want to connect these two tools? Specialized reporting and dashboards. While Smartsheet offers excellent reporting and dashboard features, Excel's advanced charting, pivot tables, and custom formulas can create highly specific, presentation-ready reports that might not be directly achievable within Smartsheet's native environment. Advanced data analysis. For complex financial modeling, what-if scenarios, statistical analysis, or large-scale data aggregation from multiple sources, Excel often remains the tool of choice. Linking allows you to pull live Smartsheet data into these analyses. Data archiving and backup. You might want to periodically export a snapshot of your Smartsheet data to Excel for long-term archiving, compliance, or offline access. Integration with legacy systems. Some older or specialized systems might only integrate with Excel, making the Smartsheet to Excel link a necessary bridge. External stakeholder sharing. While Smartsheet allows sharing, sometimes external stakeholders, e.g., clients, auditors, prefer or require data in a traditional Excel format. Offline work. Although Smartsheet is cloud-based, having data in Excel can provide an offline working copy for quick reference or light manipulation. Methods for linking Smartsheet to Excel. There are several ways to establish a connection between Smartsheet and Excel, ranging from simple exports to more dynamic, real-time links. 1. Direct export to Excel one-time snapshot. This is the simplest and most common method. Smartsheet allows you to export an entire sheet, report, or even a subset of rows directly into an Excel file. How it works. Within Smartsheet, you can go to File, Export to Microsoft Excel. You can choose to export the entire sheet or just specific rows. Pros. Easy to do. Provides a clean snapshot of your data at a specific point in time. Cons. It's a static export. Any changes made in Smartsheet after the export will not be reflected in the Excel file unless you perform another export. This isn't a live link. Use case. Perfect for creating a backup, sharing a static report, or performing a one-off analysis on a specific dataset. 2. Copy and paste. For smaller datasets or specific cells, the classic copy and paste method works. How it works. Select the cells in Smartsheet, copy them, Ctrl+C or CMD+C, and paste them into Excel, Ctrl+V or CMD+V. Pros. Quick and easy for small data transfers. Cons. Like exporting, it's static. Formatting might not always transfer perfectly. 3. Smartsheet Live Data Connector, ODBC/Power BI/Tableau. This is where the concept of linking becomes more dynamic and powerful. For users with enterprise-level needs or those looking for more sophisticated business intelligence, Smartsheet offers a live data connector. How it works. The live data connector is an ODBC, Open Database Connectivity, driver that allows you to connect BI tools like Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, or even Excel directly to your Smartsheet data as if it were a database. This typically requires an enterprise-level Smartsheet plan or a separate add-on. Pros. Live data. Once set up, your Excel worksheet or BI tool dashboard can refresh to show the latest data from Smartsheet. This means you're always working with the most current information without manual re-exports. Automated updates. You can often schedule data refreshes within Excel, e.g., every hour, daily, to keep your reports and analyses up to date automatically. Query capabilities. You can query specific datasets, filter information, and transform it before it even lands in Excel, making your Excel work more efficient. Cons. Requires more technical setup, potentially an additional cost, if not included in your plan, and is generally geared towards more advanced users or IT teams. Use case. Building real-time dashboards in Excel, performing ongoing analytical tasks that require up-to-the-minute data, or integrating Smartsheet data into larger enterprise data warehouses. 4. Smartsheet API and custom integrations. For highly specific or complex integration needs, leveraging the Smartsheet API, Application Programming Interface, is an option. How it works. This method involves writing custom code or using integration platforms like Zapier, Make.com, or directly via programming languages to programmatically pull data from Smartsheet and push it into Excel or vice versa. Pros. Ultimate flexibility and customization. Can automate complex data flows and transformations. Cons. Requires technical expertise, coding, or advanced knowledge of integration platforms. Can be time-consuming to set up and maintain. Use case. Automating data synchronization between a custom Excel application and Smartsheet, creating highly specialized data workflows, or integrating Smartsheet data into other proprietary systems. Considerations for project managers. When deciding how to link Smartsheet to Excel, consider these points. Data volume and frequency. For small, infrequent data transfers, a direct export is fine. For large datasets that need frequent updates, consider the Live Data Connector or API. Technical expertise. Evaluate the technical skills available to you. Direct export requires none, while API integrations require significant expertise. Budget. The Live Data Connector or API integrations may involve additional costs for Smartsheet or third-party integration tools. Security. Ensure that any method you choose complies with your organization's data security and privacy policies, especially when dealing with sensitive project or client information. Purpose. Clearly define why you need the data in Excel. This will guide you to the most appropriate and efficient linking method.